Guess what? Meta just released v47, the last update of 2022 for the Meta Quest, Meta Quest 2 and Meta Quest Pro, with some new features that are gonna be available from today, and also some weird ones. So well, let's discover them together in this video. Let's get into it. Alright, so this update is gonna start to roll out from today. That doesn't mean that you're gonna get it right away. Sometimes this update takes some days, sometimes takes some weeks. So if it's not there in the moment you're watching this video, don't worry, don't sweat. Trust me, it's gonna arrive. But now let's go through the changelog step by step with also some few extras. So let's start with background, audio, playback and mixed reality capture. Now these first two updates are gonna be exclusive to the Meta Quest Pro. You're gonna be able to find the background audio playback in the experimental features, and with that you're gonna be able to start any streaming service on your browser and listening to this streaming service or your podcast or music or whatever you want while you're playing different games. So the audio in your music will keep going even when you play. Unfortunately that's exclusive to the Quest Pro because there we have more RAM and we can run the browser at the same time of a game. Instead on a Quest 2 all the resources are used already by the game. Second point is the mixed reality capture is actually pretty self-explanatory. While reviewing the Quest Pro I had to go through many different hoops to actually be able to record the mixed reality mode and show it to you, and now, well, just about time you're able to do it right away without any hack or anything of sort. It's going to be integrated in the menu, and so you can share your mixed reality AR experiences directly with everyone. But now let's get to the updates available for everyone. The first one is going to be a new app for your phone. This new redesigned version was actually made to make it easier to play with friends and chat with them because they are right in front when you use the applications, and also much easier to see information about your headset, so the battery life of the headset and the controllers, and at the same time to start casting much easier than what it was before. That it was kind of hidden in the settings. The app is something that I don't use a lot, to be honest, beside casting. So yeah, I'm glad they made it easier, and you can find it on the App Store on iOS or of course on Android on the Play Store as an update. Now a cool thing with the app though is the public and shareable wishlists. And that's pretty straightforward and cool as well, because you can wishlist a game that you might want to buy in the future, and this time though you can make it public and even share it with different people. So if you have a super good friend of sort, well, maybe, just maybe, it might gift it to you because it sees that you will like to play that game. I wish I had those kind of friends. Of course, this is not going to be automatic. You still have a choice to keep it private or to make it public, and that's right in the app. It's very, very easy, and I think that it's a pretty cool thing to add to the store for this holiday season. Anyway, let's get to the juicy parts, because with v47 we're gonna finally have our body in VR. So in our home environment, instead of having the usual hands that we had before, like they're transparent, we actually gonna wear the body of our meta avatar. So when you jump in games where they actually use the avatar, it's gonna feel seamless, let's say. So you're gonna be able to see your hands, your arms, and also your torso. Of course, the legs are still missing. Now, to be honest, I don't mind. I kind of like the idea of having an avatar, but I know that some people really were turned off by this. So far though, there's no option to go back to the previous version, so just be aware of it. You're gonna be your avatar. And another thing that actually didn't appear yet on my system is the avatar mirror. So when you're in the Meta Horizon home, so the regular home you're in, you're gonna be able to see your avatar all the time. To get used to it. Also clicking on it though, you're gonna be able to change your avatar clothing or look and everything directly from there without going through the menus. I think it's a nice thing to get used to it and see yourself also in VR. As I said though, that didn't appear yet for me, so if it appears for you, please let me know in the comment below and let me know if it's good or not. And then the latest feature is that you're gonna be able to share WebXR link directly from any browser that supports it. So if you wanna try an experience but you saw it on PC, you can actually click on the new pop-up, and if your browser is also connected to your Meta account, you're gonna be able to find it on your Quest 2, Quest Pro, or regular Quest right when you put it on. It's gonna be there and you can start it right away. A very easy to use feature and might bring more people to try WebXR experiences. So nice addition. And while we're done with the feature, I have to make you aware of two little problems that I found with this update. So the first one, I found it personally, where the size of the text just got messed up if you're on the smaller thing, so you have to go back to medium size, restart, and then go back to small size, so your UI will look nice as it was before. So it's a little bug. I hope they fix it for the next update. And the other thing that is quite important, some people reported on the internet that this update actually disabled their developer options. So that means that if you're a developer and you need to work with these systems, well, probably is not the time to update yet. Or also if you're using SideQuest or all things like that, you might not be able to access it till the next update. So just be aware. It didn't happen to me luckily, but well, just be aware, okay? But that's about it for v47, the last update of 2022 for the MetaQuest, MetaQuest 2 and MetaQuest Pro. Did you receive it already? What you would like to see for 2023? Are you turned off by the fact that some of these features are actually exclusive to the Quest Pro? Let me know in the comment below. I guess I'll see you for the next update on 2023, but of course we have many new videos to do this December. So well, as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like, please like. Subscribe to the channel for more of VR tech. If you really love the channel, there's a join button there. Little further, also the Patreon. Thanks for the Patreon who joined the channel, of course. And I see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.